Hi guys, today I'm gonna show how to turn on the voice chat in Roblox. So before going to the game, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So to turn on the voice chat, you need to enter into the more option and then settings. Over the settings, based on the region, you need to verify your age and your phone number to turn on the voice chat. So to verify your age and phone number, you need to enter into the account info. Over there you can verify your age and phone number. You can add your phone number. Yeah, for my region it's not mandatory to add the phone number, so it's mandatory to add the age and verify my age. So I verified my age, and based on your region please add your phone number and verify your age. So once it's done, please come back and enter into privacy and content restriction. So once you enter into the privacy and content restriction, you need to enter into the communication. Yeah, over the communication you need to enter voice chat. So here we can enable our voice chat. So please enable, please click enable to enable your voice chat on Roblox. So this is how guys we can enable the voice chat in Roblox. So I hope you enjoy the video, it will be useful for you. So thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.